Hello friends, welcome to the Missing Fact. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of fruits and our star for the day is the fascinating red banana. Join me on this journey as we explore the unique characteristics and health benefits of this tropical delight. The red banana, also known as the red Dacca banana, stands out with its vibrant crimson skin and sweet flavor. But there is more to it than meets the eye. Take a moment to imagine the stunning red peel of the red banana. Its appearance alone makes it a striking addition to any fruit basket. Now let's talk about the health benefits. Red bananas are not just delicious, they are packed with nutrients. They are a rich source of potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6, promoting heart health and boosting the immune system. In terms of taste, red bananas are sweeter than the more common yellow bananas. Their unique flavor profile makes them perfect for a variety of culinary delights. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, or even use them in baking for a twist on traditional banana recipes. It's not just about the taste and nutrition. Red bananas have a lower environmental impact compared to some other banana varieties. They often require less water and pesticides, making them a more sustainable choice. Did you know that red bananas are not only delicious, but also considered a symbol of good luck in some cultures? It adds a delightful touch of positivity to this already delightful fruit. And there you have it, the red banana, a delicious, nutritious, and environmentally friendly tropical delight. Whether you are a fruit enthusiast or just looking to diversify your palate, give the red banana a try. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of fruits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Until next time, happy eating!